Nah, I'm dressed up right now because I need them to know I'm serious. Okay. All right. When you search for anything related to a S197 3V Mustang on YouTube, Nate Ryder's YouTube channel damn near pops up. No matter how you feel about Nate, good or bad, he is the YouTube 3V S197 Mustang GOAT. Right? Yes, agreed. Correct. Right. So, what I learned in life is you can always learn from people, good or bad, what to do or what not to do. And you have to appreciate somebody putting themselves out there for you to examine so you can learn something, good or bad. Remember, hold on. Mom, what you mean Nate Ryder's manhood called you and told you to tell me to get off of it? And what is it? We have to learn from people. It will only make you better. Sheesh. Today I'll be installing the Ford Performance Control A-arms and the Steeder outer tie rod ends. We getting closer and closer to installing the airlift performance system and getting Ghost low to the earth. FYI, I am rebuilding a 3-valve S197 Mustang GT. I am not a racer, nor am I trying to race. But at the same time, anybody can get it. I am a quick pull up to the gas station, crowd creator, AKA a rebuilt show car type of guy. Something that I can have for 20 plus years and pass down to my son. Something that I know every inch of because I physically touched it. Something that I can be proud of, which I already am. I don't care about people saying that I'm wasting my money because I'm not racing. Because I know that's not your call to make. Simply your opinion. And I'm all right with that. On another note, you probably couldn't even guess what I spent on Project GOAT so far. In the comment section below, put your guesstimate on what you think I spent so far. Whoever gets closest to the actual amount, I'll buy you lunch through Cash App or something that day. So let's do it like this. From the date I dropped this vlog, 1 week later, I contact the winner. Lunch on me. Now, I ain't gonna cap. This boss looks janky. This is the first boss I ever ordered from Mustang Restoration. It kind of looks like I got this off of somebody from Instagram. Boss just a little janky. Now, while we're here, let's get these bad boys installed. Pretty simple install. Everything just bolts up to the control arms, and in my case, the ball joints are left open until I install the airlift strut. The way that light bouncing off my truck is pretty dramatic. Wow. Pollen is very terrible at this time of the day. All right, so I had to rent this tool. To take off the tie rod ends, the inner tie rod, because so I have to put a bolt here. In order to put that bolt there, I have to take this tie rod, inner tie rod off to put the bolt in, the control arm, and complete that assembly. I went with the Ford Racing control arms. That's on the GT 500s. Almost ready to get these pads installed. These are the tools that's needed. Got your breaker bar. Tool rented from parts. Fix over the tie rod. Like so. Then you put this in on there. You lock it in. Put your breaker bar in that in. Spin it off. That pollen is very bad this time of the year. But this is where we're at. Now I just torque everything to spec, which it should be already fine. The tie rod ends are simple too. And since I swapped the hydraulic power steering for the electrical rack, my alignment is all out of whack. Okay, what I just realized, the thing with restoring a car and throwing away parts before you get the other part on, I do not have the locking nut with this new tie rod end. I do not have the locking nut that locks the outer tie rod to the inner tie rod. So it spins on like so, but I do not have the locking nut to lock this in place, as if I wanted to stop right here. If I wanted to stop right there, it still would be loose because I do not have the locking nut to lock it in place. So I got to get a locking nut for that to complete that. So I'll just screw them on and let the alignment shop deal with it. I'm towing Ghost to the alignment shop soon as the suspension is completed. So with these installs, the next vlog should be, yeah, finally, long time coming. Boy, it's about time. Airlift performance install. Bags. That's it for today's vlog. We on our way, people. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Stay in the know. Bags coming soon. Bags coming soon. Bags coming soon. Hey, 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 hey. Till next time. Peace.